The top 5 biggest explosions on Earth. 5. Castle Bravo hydrogen bomb, 15 megatons. Castle Bravo, detonated on February 28, 1954, was the first and largest of the Castle series of tests, and the largest US nuclear blast of all time. Bravo was anticipated as a 6 megaton blast, but instead it produced a 15 megaton fission blast. Its mushroom cloud reached 114,000 feet into the air. The US military's miscalculation of the test's size resulted in the irradiation of approximately 665 inhabitants of the Marshall Islands, and the death by radiation poisoning of a Japanese fisherman who was 80 miles away from the detonation site. 4. The SAR Bomber, 50 megatons, the largest man-made explosion. At number 4 we have the SAR Bomber, which is the most powerful atomic bomb ever to be exploded in human history. It was also named as Kuzkina Mat, all because it was made by the Russian Federation. The yield of this nuclear weapon made use of nearly 100 megatons of TNT and 50 megatons of yield. The explosion was equal to 1,400 times the combined power of the 2 atomic bombs used in World War II. 3. Mount Tambora, largest earthbound explosion recorded by humans. In 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia exploded with the force of roughly 1,000 megatons of TNT, the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history. The blast held out roughly 140 billion tons of magma, and not only killed more than 71,000 people on the island of Sumbawa and nearly Lombok, but the ash it released created global climate anomalies. The following year, 1816, became known as the year without a summer, with snow falling in June in Albany, New York, river ice seen in July in Pennsylvania, and hundreds of thousands of people dying of famine worldwide. 2. Tunguska Explosion, largest impact in recorded history. The mysterious explosion near the Podkamanaya Tunguska River in 1908 flattened some 500,000 acres, or 2,000 square kilometers, of Siberian forest, an area nearly the size of Tokyo. Scientists think the blast was caused by a cosmic impact from an asteroid or comet, perhaps 65 feet or 20 meters in diameter and 185,000 metric tons in mass, more than 7 times that of the Titanic. The explosion created an estimated yield of 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, or about 1,000 times the yield of the atomic bomb that destroyed Hiroshima, Japan. 1. KT Extinction Impact Event, largest known earthbound explosion. The age of dinosaurs ended in a cataclysm roughly 65 million years ago that killed off roughly half of all species on the planet. Although research suggests the planet was on the verge of an environmental crisis before the Cretaceous Tertiary or KT extinction, the straw that broke the dinosaurs' back is widely thought to have been a cosmic impact, with an asteroid or comet some 6 miles or 10 kilometers wide, exploding with the force of roughly 10,000 gigatons of TNT, or some 1,000 times the size of the world's nuclear arsenal. The impact would have caused climate change, much like Mount Tambora, but much more drastic, and this climate change is believed to be what ultimately killed the dinosaurs.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.